Hello, this is my room at Happy Home Bed and Breakfast Hostel. I got a private room with a ensuite bathroom because I read the reviews that said that the dorms all share one bathroom and there's only one. I just didn't want to do that. And it wasn't that much more for a private room. And this one has air conditioning, really interesting ceilings, a big bed, which seems okay. Let's check. Don't see any stains on there. It's kind of dark in here because there's only a couple lights up near the ceiling. Well, okay, seems okay. And let's see, it's got a little table and I guess it's like a vanity. I have a very bright bed light and a small side thing there, which is good. And then let's check out the bathroom. Whoop. Okay, wow. Okay, so this is the bathroom. So here's the sink. It's got a mirror. It's open to the outside. That is fresh air coming in through there. Very interesting. And then here's the toilet with toilet paper, thank goodness. A bum gun. And then here's the shower. That's good stuff. Places to hang things. Excuse me. I stepped on the that's a ledge. Okay, very interesting. And what you're hearing right now, I think, is the mosques. If you can hear that, let me go outside. So the doors open like this. Here's the outdoor sitting area. It's supposed to be like a hangout area, but I don't see anyone else. And then I have a porch with 2 chairs. And that building there is the main building, and that's where the dorms are, I think. And yeah. That's the name of my room, but you can't really read it right now